Hello students, we will continue with the discussion on chordates and today we will discuss about cyclostomata. Cyclostomata, it is composed of two words. Cyclos means circular, cyclos means circular and stome means mouth. So such kind of are fishes which have mouth. What kind of mouth? These are round mouth fishes. What are they? They are round mouth fishes. They are also known as jawless fishes. Also known as jawless fishes, and but they migrate. They migrate from where? From marine to freshwater. They marine from marine to, they are marine, but they migrate from marine to freshwater for spawning. Why? For spawning. So after spawning, what happens? Adults die. Adults die within few days. When they do die? They die within few days. But the larva, after metamorphosis return to the ocean. After spawning, adults die within some days, but the larva after metamorphosis return to the ocean. How is the body? Body is elongated, smooth, has paired fins, but they don't have scales. So body is elongated, smooth, have paired fins, but they don't have scales. And what are the examples? And the examples are petromyzon, which is known as lamprey, and the second one is myxine, and myxine is known as hagfish. Example: petromyzon, lamprey, myxine, hagfish. Let's draw a figure. They don't have jaws, so it's a jawless vertebrate. It's a jawless vertebrate by the name of petromyzon. So cyclostomata, it includes round mouth fishes. Cyclos means circular, stoma means mouth, and they are also known as jawless fishes as they have sucking mouths, but there are no jaws. They are marine, but some of them migrate to fresh water for spawning. Adults die within a few days after spawning, but What happens? The larva after metamorphosis returns to the ocean. Body elongated, smooth. They have paired fins, but they are without scales. The cranial and vertebral column are cartilaginous. That's important point for you. The cranium and vertebral column, their cranial and vertebral column, they are cartilaginous. Cartilaginous. So they have cranium and vertebral. The cranium and vertebral column are made of cartilage. That is, that they are cartilaginous. Circulation. It is of closed type. Circulation is of closed type, and they have 6 to 15 pair of gills. 6 to 15 pair of gills. For what? For respiration. 6 to 15 pair of gills for respiration. And this is the example. So let us repeat it once again. Cyclostomata. They are known as jawless fishes as they have sucking mouth. They have sucking mouth but without jaws. They are marine but they migrate to the fresh water for spawning. After spawning, adults die within a few days, but the larva, after metamorphosis, they return to the ocean. Body elongated, smooth. They have paired fins but they don't have scales, and they have cranium and vertebral. Their cranium and vertebral column is made up of cartilage, so these are cartilaginous. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Circulation, that is of closed type. They have 6 to 15 pair of gills, and these help in respiration. And the examples are Petromyzon, lamprey, Prey. It's lamprey. Prey. Lamprey. Myxina. Myxin. The second one is myxin, and it is also known as hagfish. And here is the figure of a jawless vertebrate, that is Petromyzon. So let's move to the another one, Chondrichthyes. So we will discuss now class Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes. Chondros means cartilage, and scathis, and ichthyes means fish. So these are known as cartilaginous fishes. They are known as cartilaginous fishes. These have about 600 species, including sharks, rays, skates. Include sharks, rays and skates. 600 species have been found. They are marine. What kind of body do they have? They have a streamlined body.